don't care what nobody thinks. I don't give a fuck. I'm a man, I'm gonna take it. So I don't give a shit. I take it like a man. I ain't no pussy like nobody else.
Like who? Who's a pussy?
Not me, pal.
Well, who are you talking about?
Huh. I'm saying it to everybody. Straight up. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a pussy. I'm not a fucking cocksucker, but I'm not a pussy. But I take it straight up like a man.
You are. You're a man.
You know what I'm saying? I take it straight up. I'm not a pussy. Talk about it, I'm a scared guy? I'm not scared. I'm not scared of guns. What the fuck are you talking about?
Your hands are dry. Come on, let's go.
What the fuck are you talking about?
I'm not talking about nothing. Come on.
No. I'm talking about this cocksucker. Talking about I'm a pussy. Think I'm scared of shit? What you got? I'll fucking bury your ass, bro. Fuck you got? You ain't got shit on me. What's up, my man? How you been?